Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial, I would like to show to you how to add text onto your video using VN Editor video. First, you need to open your VN Editor, and then after that, you need to insert the video that you want to edit. For example, I already prepared the video, and after that, to add a text, you need to click this symbol here, click it, and then click text, and after that you can scroll down because there's a plenty of choice from VN to add a text. There's plenty of choice of text. For example, I would like to use this text, and after that, if you want to edit the text, you can swipe left the toolbar down here, or you can click this symbol of edit, click it, and now you can insert the text that you want to add. For example, I would like to find a piece, and then click done, and then you can edit it again. Because there's a two text here, you can click each one to edit. And then for the bigger one down here, I would like to add on live, and click done again, and try to make the text a little bit bigger like this. And if you're done editing the text, back to your video again, and here you can change the text where the time that you want the text show up. For example, I would like to make it shown on the middle of the video here, and the result, this one. You can add a longer time by swiping this kind of arrow symbol here. I will try to add it until there, and then yes, and now it's done. That's the way how you that's how the way you insert a text on your video using VN Editor. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.